Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to design carousel posts in Canva. So go to canva.com and log into your account. Carousel posts are posts with multiple slides that usually users can swipe through. They work really well because they let you tell a story, share tips, or explain something step by step. Platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn love carousel posts because people spend more time engaging with them. So let's go ahead and create the design. Choose the correct size first for your platform. For Instagram, they use 1080 by 1080 pixels. Okay, let's go and choose social media. Go to Instagram and let's use the square, which is the 1080 by 1080 pixel. So once the canvas opens, decide how many slides you want in your carousel. You can duplicate pages inside the canvas so each slide stays the same size. Consistency is very important for carousel posts. Choose your color scheme, fonts, and overall style before designing the slide. Use the same brand colors and fonts on every slides as well, so your carousel looks clean and professional. This also helps people recognize your content easily. Now start designing each slide. Keep the message simple and easy to read. Break your content into small chunks. Use headings, short bullet points, and visuals instead of long paragraphs. Each slide should be understandable in just a few seconds. To make your carousel more engaging, add icons, illustrations, or simple graphics. You can also use subtle animations if the platform supports it. Use Canva grids, guides, and alignment tools to keep everything balanced and neat. Your first slide is the most important one, right here, since this is the one that grabs attention. Use bold statement, a question, or an eye-catching image to stop people from scrolling. Then build curiosity on the next slide so users keep swiping until the end. Before posting, review all slides to make sure they flow well together. Check spelling, spacing, and readability. Then, export your carousel as a high-quality image or as a PDF, like here, depending on the platform you're posting on. After posting, track engagement and see which design performs best so you can improve future posts. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.